Hello everybody. It is Monday, April 20th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Alright, so I have looked at the market a little bit this morning. It has looked like junk. So we're going to make sure that we're being very careful with our decisions today. It's already 11 o'clock, so that is a little bit later in the day than I planned on starting. It is what it is. We don't have a certain time of day we have to start. We did have our class on Saturday. It went really well. We have the next class in 3 weeks, and that's going to be with David Rendell. He's going to talk to us a lot about mindset. So I'm really looking forward to that class. We've got the discount for You Profit Trader right now. So if you want to come and join us, definitely take advantage of that discount. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check out this market. So let me bring up the daily chart. Look at this. It's just still pushing skin into that large EMA, but it looks like it still wants to push to the upside. Now it's at an area that's going to give some resistance. Being inside of the EMAs, the MACDs still show a little bit of strength. They have slowed down a bit. So this may be our turning point, and you can see it's starting to pop to the downside here. Ooh, let's look at this 10946. I don't know what happened just now. Froze, and it took me out, and I couldn't even watch what was happening. Okay. Let's hope this one doesn't freeze this time. So it was a little early on the last one. It froze up, popped back, stopped me out, and then gave me another opportunity. Here we go. Locking in some of the profit as it's showing reasons to slow down here. Oh, yeah. It's gonna try and move it real quick, just up another tick or so, but I didn't get to it in time. It is showing us a bit of a reversal bar. The really white BB says it may turn around, but I think it's gonna keep coming back down towards here. I'm gonna see how that, yeah. So my screen froze up, but it did pop up, grab me, and just got right back into that one. I see the potential for down here as this is leading a little bit lower right in here. But man, those are some reversal bars to the flipping upside. All right, in here, look at it on the 4181. Oh, with those going down, it could still pop down, but I'm not going to try and fight that. So far, let's see where this has gone so far. 4.5 points. Yeah, like I'm seeing this push to the downside, but I just can't. I got my mind in 1,200 other places. So, all right, guys, get my shoes on. I may come back to this later. We may just end with 4.5 points. If that's the way it goes, then that's the way it goes. You know, you don't have to have like home runs every day as long as you get on base. I'd like to say I'm going to come back later, but somehow I doubt that. That probably means we're just going to wrap it up for today. There is a small chance I will come back later. I have some meetings this afternoon, so I'm doubting it, especially because I waited so long to get started today. It's noon. I was done with my trading in 20 minutes at the most. The rest has just been jacking around. So, yeah. I hope everybody has a fabulous week. I know it's a little tougher these days, but they are still doable. You know, we can still be happy. We can still smile. It's always a choice, okay? So, yeah. I do plan on getting some more trading done this week, especially if it's going to move like it's moving now, super slow. So, just have to be really selective. And honestly, all of our trades need to be selective. That is the way that we trade. We're very selective traders. So, y'all, much love. Hope everybody has a wonderful week. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.